to this picture of nanotechnology and electronics? Well, it's quite intriguing. As we delve into the nano realm, the complexity of design, manufacturing, and operation processes increases exponentially. And this is where AI comes into play, acting as a powerful ally to nanotechnology. AI, with its sophisticated computational abilities, can guide the design of nanomaterials. It can sift through vast amounts of data to identify patterns and correlations that humans might miss. In this way, AI can predict the behavior of nanomaterials, giving us a clearer roadmap for the creation of efficient and effective electronic devices. In the manufacturing process, AI can streamline and optimize the assembly of nano devices. It monitors the process in real time, making adjustments to ensure the highest quality and precision. This level of control is crucial when working at such a minuscule scale. Moreover, AI can also manage the operation of nano devices. By continuously learning and adapting, AI systems can optimize the performance of these devices, extending their lifespan and improving their efficiency. In essence, AI serves as the brains behind nanotechnology, enabling us to harness its full potential. It's a symbiotic relationship where nanotechnology provides the platform and AI provides the intelligence. Thus, AI doesn't just fit into the picture, it is an integral part of it. It's the driving force that is accelerating the evolution of nanotechnology and electronics. With AI by its side, nanotechnology is set to redefine the frontiers of electronics. We are on the brink of a revolution where electronics shrink down to the atomic level. In this journey, we've explored the transformative role of nanotechnology and AI, moving from macro to nano, creating devices that are not just smaller, but far more powerful and intelligent. This revolution is not merely about reducing size, but about optimizing every atom, making each one count. As we step into the future, we are not just shrinking electronics, we are creating a world where every atom counts.